PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
What are you doing? You can't wait. Do you think I'm using a lot of effort when it actually I'm making contact with the ball, side spin and then come again? See, I'm giving this power out. When I release it, it becomes a loop. I'm releasing this power. He's driving. I ease off this power. He's blocking. Another side spin. When I ease off, he blocks. Right, come again. Driving. You see, my initial movements are all the same, right? Go find the ball. Though there's a small pause. I'm aiming for the upward phase, because it's a topspin ball. Alright, I found this upward phase. He's off the power. It's a short one. He's off. It's short. When I release this power, it becomes a long one. It's long, right? Are you pressing? Okay, another one. The initial movements are the same, right? Understand. Was that short? Yes, it was long. You need to release the power. Okay, you can push a bit longer. Good job. Take off the short one. Here it comes. The same starting move. Same hitting rhythm. One is releasing the power. The other is easing off. When eased off, it's short. No way. Looks like you're dumbfounded. Look, another awkward spot. I made you chase after it again. Your stance is good. Ready for another round. Mostly just using forehand to receive. It's tough to handle balls coming to your body. Learn from your mistakes. You're losing out with me. First, master these key points. Because these points are challenging to receive. Secondly, learn your lessons. When playing others, remember, you receive the serve, how do you return it? If I serve with left side spin, if I serve with underspin, how will you return it? See, the quality of hitting this spot is not good. I serve from this spot a lot. Yes, I served a short underspin ball to your backhand. You can only reach this far and bet on your second reaction. If you can reach well, what will you do after returning? Why does he dare to play like this with a flat hit? Because he understands the game better than you. He knows most people will react to this point as their second response. Also, shifting weight to the left foot, definitely not as good as rotating smoothly to the right. Moreover, given the way you rotate, it's hard for you to hit straight, unless you go around. If you don't go around. So, after the serve, shift your body to the side. Okay. Do you need to actively power up for this one? So what should you mainly focus on? I'd spin and curve in half a beat, then accelerate to press down the curve, right? Hey, this is still an active loop. Just add spin and press to create a curve because it's side top spin, right? Okay. Hey, after you lifted it up, go ahead. Okay. This is very simple. When using leverage to press down the curve, just control it, that's all. What does that mean? It's like me looping 10 balls. It's the same thing. Just added a little hop, that's all. Okay. For this small side topspin, after you shorten your forehand, besides pushing and chopping, can't you stand up and counter after the ball bounces? Hit the table with a short bounce, right? Isn't this reverse thinking? Oh. Right, so at this moment you should be able to receive it. When contacting the try unloading a bit of power downwards backwards for this topspin ball. Right. You can slightly step to the side. If he can't loop, he can't loop. Transition from push to flick. Did you control it? Prepare to attack after stepping to the side. Step to the side slightly. It's that simple. The first one is for you. Chasing the ball. Why do you always see others serving with left side spin? Your first priority should be watching the short ball. Now everyone's positioning is relatively flat. Your intentions are quite clear. Don't twist your ball. I'll give you a backhand. You don't react at all. But this point is the trickiest. Look at this World Championships. Many players break through from chasing the ball. The most awkward part of the backhand side spin is the short triangle. Why? First, away from the body. Secondly, you need to move further outwards. Normal pivot. Are you always pivoting to your right foot? But with this kind of ball, are you pivoting to your right foot? Can you reach it? You're restraining yourself. You must pivot to your left foot. At this point, because you broke your usual habits. Moving more outwards, not following your usual habit. That's why you can't keep up. Or your body movement can't keep up. Or you'll miss the timing. That's why this point on the backhand side spin serve is the hardest to receive. When practicing serve receive, you need to focus on this point. You're hesitant to pivot. You're being held back at that point. You're hesitant to move. Suddenly serves to the middle. Actually, when serving to the middle, the short ball goes there. Mostly past the midline, right? It's already in your backhand area. Why are you hesitating to pivot? You used your forehand to return because you're being held back there. So, dealing with left side spin is actually quite easy. The hook shot is difficult to deal with. Moving to your forehand side, you need to shift your position significantly in order to deal with this. Dealing with left side spin isn't difficult, but because of that point holding you back, that point also becomes hard to deal with. There's a small triangle holding you back.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.